Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll be exploring an essential aspect of ISO 22716, the process of internal and external audits. As you may know, ISO 22716 sets the standards for good manufacturing practices (GMP) in the cosmetics industry. To ensure compliance and continuous improvement, both internal and external audits play a critical role. Importance of audits in ISO 22716. Audits are vital for maintaining the integrity of GMP processes and ensuring that the highest standards of quality and safety are consistently met. They help identify gaps, verify compliance, and drive improvements in manufacturing practices. Internal audits. Internal audits are conducted within the organization to assess its adherence to ISO 22716 requirements. Here's how they work. Planning. The first step involves planning the internal audit. This includes defining the scope, objectives, and schedule of the audit. Internal auditors must ensure they cover all relevant areas such as premises, equipment, personnel, and production processes. Execution. During the audit, internal auditors review processes, procedures, and records to verify compliance with ISO 22716. They may conduct interviews, inspect facilities, and examine documentation. Reporting. After the audit, auditors compile their findings into a report. This report highlights any non-conformities, areas for improvement, and best practices observed. It also includes recommendations for corrective actions. Follow-up. The organization must address the findings and implement corrective actions. Follow-up audits may be conducted to ensure that these actions are effective and that compliance is maintained. External audits. External audits are conducted by third-party auditors to assess compliance with ISO 22716. These audits are typically performed by certification bodies or regulatory agencies. Here's an overview. Preparation. External audits are usually scheduled in advance, and organizations should prepare by reviewing their practices, documentation, and compliance with ISO 22716 requirements. Audit process. External auditors conduct their assessment similarly to internal audit, but with a fresh perspective. They review processes, inspect facilities, and interview staff to ensure that all GMP requirements are met. Certification. Based on the audit results, external auditors may grant or renew certification for ISO 22716. They provide a detailed audit report that includes any identified non-conformities and recommendations. Continuous improvement. External audits often lead to valuable insights and recommendations for enhancing GMP practices. Organizations should use this feedback to drive continuous improvement and maintain high standards of quality and safety. Key benefits of audits. Regular internal and external audits offer several benefits, including ensuring compliance. Audits help organizations stay compliant with ISO 22716 requirements, reducing the risk of regulatory issues and product recalls. Identifying improvements. They provide insights into areas for improvement, helping organizations enhance their manufacturing processes and overall quality. Building trust. Successful audits and certifications build trust with customers, regulators, and stakeholders, demonstrating our commitment to quality and safety. In conclusion, internal and external audits are fundamental to the successful implementation and maintenance of ISO 22716. They ensure that organizations uphold GMP standards, identify opportunities for improvement, and drive continuous enhancement in their manufacturing practices. Thank you for joining this session on internal and external audits of ISO 22716. Stay tuned for more insights. Thank you.